Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I show you how to make this Mexican red pork pozole. It is super delicious. These are the ingredients. In a large pot, like I'm showing you here, first you boil water. After it's boiling, we start adding our pork chops. I like to cut them into little pieces like I'm showing you right here. And then we add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. We close the lid and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we start taking all this foam out, all the impurities, that's how they call it. But we take all this foam that you're looking at right here, we just take it out, we clean it really well. Once we clean the broth really well, we close our pot and we let it boil for 45 minutes to 1 hour. In the meanwhile, we're gonna work in our Chile Guajillo or dry chili. What I like to do is take all the seeds out, just like I'm showing you right here. We are going to dehydrate our Chile Guajillo or the dried chili. We have already on the stove a little pot with boiling water. And we just add our chilies to the boiling water. And we just let them boil for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we start blending our cumin, coriander seed, oregano, bay leaves, and pepper. This is how it should look. And then we just add our chicken bouillon, our 2 garlic cloves, and our chilies that we boiled previously. Okay, our pork has been boiling for about 45 minutes. Now it's time to add our pre-cooked hominy. And I totally forgot to record this part when I was blending the garlic and all the chilies. I added about a cup of water just to help the blender blend it very well. And then what I'm doing right here, using a strainer to add all the chili into the pot, just like I'm showing you right here. I like to put a little bit of broth into my blender just so we can get all the chili in here, okay? Just like I'm showing you right here. And then we just keep straining it into the pot. And that is it. Whatever we have left on the strainer, we can just toss it. We give this a little stir and we cover it and let it boil for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we check for salt. If it needs more salt, just add it in and let it boil for another 15 to 20 minutes. And voila, guys, it is done. You get a delicious red pork pozole. I like to garnish my pozole with a little bit of cabbage and a little bit of lime. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me thumbs up. Enjoy, guys. Bye.